Hello everyone, this is QM Kriti and welcome to the prelims of Mela quiz presented to you by Quest STG SCC. Let's quickly have a run through of the rules. So there will be 20 questions in the prelims. The star mark questions are question 5, question 10, question 15 and question 20 which will be used as tiebreakers. The top 6 teams will qualify for the finals. And a caution, as much as we are dependent on technology in the present times, please kindly refrain from Googling while the quiz is going on. Now let's start with the quiz. Question 1. Ksenia Rabinica was a professional ballet dancer and actor in the Soviet Union and Russia. She started her ballerina career in Moscow's Bolshoi Theatre. However, we know her from a very popular 1970 context that propelled her to fame in both India and Russia. It's also seen in as many as a small effort to promote Info-Soviet friendship due to speeches about how Russians were our friends. What is her claim to fame? So basically, I want her claim to fame. The next question. X is something to savor in solitude. Created by a second generation Indian based in UK, X started in 2008, created a certain and rather a massive controversy because of a presence of Y as a character. The creator went by the name of Deshpande and after revealing his identity, he was forced to take down X due to family pressure. In later part, a character based on Vijay Mallya was also depicted in it. Identify both X and Y. Next question. This 2011 TV series derives its title from a classic song of the early 1970s and was an adaptation of a classic 1980s PTV drama that had whose title literally meant in the Isle of the Sun. Name both the TV series and the PTV drama. Next question. This term refers to the very particular ways in which people try to get attention from the crushes on social media. Since X didn't have an access to social media, so posting a story and waiting for a crush to watch it, it is the modern day equivalent of X throwing elaborate parties. Identify the literary character of X. I want X, which is the literary character in this question. Next question. This photograph from a play inspired by dash 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 to paint his localized version of idealized beauty. The painter used the character X at the center to carry the longing sensation of the photograph. Fill in the blanks which are indicative and give X the character. Next question. Following is an abstract from a song by Dire Straits frontman Mark Knopfler. Released in early 2000s, the song is inspired from the life of an American businessman and his tough business tactics, which made him establish something legendary. So you can have a look at the extract from the song. I want X, and what did he try to establish here? The first and the last lines would act as a hint. Next question. Dash 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 is a 20th century novel about a girl that goes to college with the help of her mysterious benefactor. The name of the novel is derived from the name the girl gives him after having an unclear glance at him. Fill in the blanks. So it's the name of a 20th century novel that I want. Question 8. Connect. So you can look at all these pictures and give me the funda they connect with. Next question. The only other character in film history for which two different actors have won an Academy Award is the Joker. The two actors associated are Heath Ledger and King Phoenix. For which character has this happened before? And who were the actors? So I want both the character and the two actors who played the character. Next question. This painting was used in a 1991 movie and the protagonist claimed to have moved towards wanderlust after seeing it and studying the tribal population. This was the last movie of a legendary man who won it all and received one of the highest honors a year later. Which movie are we talking about? Next question. X is a musician and was a founder of a Mumbai-based psychedelic rock band. After the band disbanded in 2011, he worked on a solo album in 2015. Receiving moderate success for a few years, last year his college mate brought him his own project to work on. According to X, he wanted it to sound edgy and modern, but also have pop and rock elements. After shooting down a lot of ideas, they finally arrived at the finalized work, which almost all of us has heard. Identify X and the project that was the finalized one. Next question. These simple pottery drawings are of great import because they were made by X. In the 1600s, X was exposed to Mughal culture through the dash 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 dash, an entity that got overshadowed by another in the coming centuries. Identify X. I want the name of the painter of these portraits and not the blanks. Next question. Whose art and the significance? Why is it on the wall? Next question. X was a fan of the Roman poet Y and called him, translated to, a better poet than himself. But still, in his most famous work, X put the character of Y in hell instead of heaven. Identify X and what was the reason for it? Next question. In a 2003 run of X-Men spin-off comic X-Statix, writer Peter Milligan announced that X would posthumously be joining the cast of characters around 6 years after her death. In a storyline cheekily titled The Another Day, X's zombified body would come back to life to wreak vengeance on would-be assassins and rise back to the height of her popularity. However, due to public outrage in the name of good taste, the series was cut short only after 8 issues. Identify X. Next question. Identify the pixelated part. So you can have a look at the 4 pictures. The first one consists of the pixelated part and the last box can act as a hint. Next, X's brother translated the poem Y in their native language in 1860. X was really moved by the poem too and himself wrote a poem appreciating it. So we can look at the lines that X wrote appreciating the poem. I want both X and Y, the name of the poem and X. Next question. In a recent Facebook ad, a man buys a dog dash to come out of loneliness, but the dog comes out to be a mess. The dog never keeps his calm, on which the man receives suggestions over Facebook to make him listen to music, after which he calms down. So we hear a pun of the name of a 1992 music starring one of the most popular actors in Bollywood, which could have been his debut, but released later. Give me the pun. Next question. X chess is a chess variation made in the 50s. It requires 2 boards, and with each move, the piece or pawn is transferred to the other board. As per the creator, it goes dash 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 dash, which is also the name of the novel that inspired it. Identify X and fill in the blank. Picture is on the next slide. X is the name of the character, and the blank happens to be the name of the novel. So this is the picture. The last question, give me the significance of this place. The hint would be, where have you seen this place? And I do not particularly need the name of the place.